Keeping a clean and organized home is essential for physical health and mental well-being. But for individuals with limited mobility or energy, cleaning can feel like an exhausting task. Whether due to disability, aging, or chronic health conditions, these challenges are real, but they're not insurmountable. By using a few clever strategies, tools, and adjustments, cleaning can become more manageable and less stressful. Today, we will cover 27 cleaning hacks for the disabled and elderly. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Here are practical cleaning hacks designed to simplify tasks for the elderly and disabled, ensuring your home stays comfortable and inviting without exhausting your energy. First, we'll look at some general cleaning hacks for the disabled and elderly. Use lightweight tools. Invest in cleaning tools that are easy to handle and lightweight, such as microfiber dusters or lightweight cordless vacuums. Break it down. Divide tasks into smaller steps. For example, instead of cleaning the entire kitchen, focus on wiping down counters today and tackling the sink tomorrow. Create a routine. Establish a regular cleaning schedule to avoid letting chores pile up. Small, consistent efforts are much easier to manage. And finally, prioritize high-impact areas. Focus on the spaces you use the most, like the bathroom and kitchen, for regular upkeep. Now let's look at accessible cleaning tools. The right tools can make all the difference. Consider these must-haves for a more accessible cleaning routine. Long-handled tools. Dusters, scrubbers, and grabbers with extended handles are perfect for reaching high shelves, ceiling fans, or even low areas without bending or stretching. Robotic vacuums. These automated helpers can keep your floors tidy with minimal effort. Simply set them up and they'll do the work for you. Lightweight cleaning devices. A lightweight cordless vacuum or mop system can reduce strain and can still be effective. Sit to clean tools. Use tools that allow you to clean from a seated position, such as rolling chairs with brakes, a walker with a seat, or extendable brushes. Now let's look at some room-by-room cleaning hacks for the disabled and elderly. In the kitchen, use liners for easy cleaning. Use shelf liners in cabinets and drawers and the refrigerator. When spills happen, simply replace or wash the liners. Clean as you cook. Wipe counters and rinse utensils while preparing meals to prevent messes from piling up. Try spray and leave cleaners. Use sprays that break down grime without scrubbing. Let them work while you rest and then wipe clean. Now let's look at some bathroom cleaning hacks. A daily shower spray. Prevent soap scum buildup by spraying shower walls daily with a no-rinse cleaner. I have a shower spray that I swear by. It requires no scrubbing. You just spray and walk away. I will link that video review below. Toilet cleaning hacks. Drop-in toilet bowl cleaners minimize the need for scrubbing. You can keep a lightweight toilet brush nearby for quick touch-ups. And try quick wipe solutions. Keep disposable cleaning wipes handy for sinks and countertops to tackle messes as they happen. Now let's look at the living room. Declutter strategically. Fewer items means less dusting. Store knickknacks in enclosed cases and reduce decorative clutter. Washable furniture covers. Use slip covers for sofas and chairs that are easy to remove and machine wash. Designate drop zones. Create specific areas for frequently used items to prevent them from being scattered. In the bedroom, schedule your linen changes. Plan to change sheets on a specific day each week so you can stay on track. Use a robotic vacuum. Keep a robotic vacuum nearby for quick cleanup and even under the bed. Also, leverage technology. Technology is a powerful ally for simplifying your chores. Smart home devices. Use devices like Alexa or Google Home to set reminders for cleaning tasks or to schedule your robotic vacuuming. Try chore tracking apps. Apps like Toady or Our Home can help create cleaning schedules, track progress, or even share those tasks with others. Also, ask for help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for assistance. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Engage your family and your network, friends, neighbors, and everyone often willing to lend a hand, especially for those heavier tasks like moving furniture or deep cleaning. If you can afford to do so, hire help. Consider hiring a professional cleaner for occasional assistance with a challenging task. Community resources. Many communities and churches and worship centers offer support services for seniors or disabled individuals, including cleaning help. Now let's look at some energy conservation techniques to manage your energy levels. Conserving your energy while cleaning is crucial. Sit while you work. Use a sturdy chair or rolling stool for tasks like folding laundry or wiping counters. Use tools that do the work for you. Spray mops, automatic scrubbers, and pre-moistened wipes can help minimize your physical effort. And also take frequent breaks. Work in short bursts and rest as you need to avoid overexertion. A clean home is important for comfort and safety, but it doesn't have to come at the cost of your energy or well-being. By adopting these cleaning hacks, you can keep your living space manageable and tidy while working within your physical limits. Remember, it's about working smarter, not harder. So embrace tools, technology, and a little help when needed. Your home should be a haven, and these strategies ensure it remains just that, without the unnecessary stress. Let me know if you have any cleaning hacks in the comments below. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you're looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of those 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized over on the blog under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Thanks for watching.